So now let's go ahead and insert the trench template we created and create the trench surface. So go ahead and click on Insert Trench Template. You're going to pick the utility run, which is our water main. Stationing we'll leave at 0, and we won't adjust the nodes, but you could do that by clicking this. We're going to pick the DIP trench template. I'll go ahead and click Apply, and that creates our trench. Now basically creates the line work for the trench. What we can do next is just go ahead and create the trench surface. Click OK, and now you can see we've got that trench surface. So we can do things like surface slicer, where we can run this across, and we can see in the surface slicer view our water main. Okay, so you can see our water main and our sanitary sewer trench. Right. So again, depending on which direction you go, you can use the surface slicer to make sure that we've got proper separation between the two, but you can also see elevations relative to one another in the trench. You see the trench outline. And then next, obviously we can export this out, but ideally what we want to do is run a report to determine how much earthwork we're going to have for this trench. And you can see here, again, I'm doing this for instructional purposes, is that there's no subgrade surface in this area over here. So you want to make sure that if you want to calculate that information, that you have that surface. So if I look at the subgrade, you can see it's only extending that trench up to the surface at that particular spot. If I continue this out, then I will get that information as well. So you just want to make sure that you put that information in accordingly. All right. So let's take a look, and we'll do the utility report next.